Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view multiple route options on Google Map. So guys, you can see I am selecting a location direction from my address. So here, this is a route of my location, and if I change the route or the multiple route, then you have to just tap on the another route option, and then your map will automatically create a multiple route from you. So here you can see again I'm changing. So here that's how you can do it. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.